As you can see friends, that it snowed so heavily last night. All cars are covered with snow. We don't have a garage facility here, so we have to park our car on the road, and this is a disadvantage that in such type of weather cars get totally covered with snow or dust. And this is our car here, and as you can see, these are the tires which we have specially built for all the seasons. Means in snow or in summer, winter, all types of season they are suitable. I have a Renault Talisman, and first I will have to clear the snow if I have to drive. This was the snowman which they built in the neighborhood, and eyes are with cut tomato, half tomato they cut it and put it there. This is not a snowman, sorry, it was a snow bear actually. I will have to open the boot of the car to take out my equipments to clean the snow. There is always have to be an umbrella with you. You never know when it starts raining, and it is good to have such type of bag of equipments in your car. So this is one scraper to clean the ice, this snow, and this spray is for anti-ice. Means whenever if there is a ice formation, it will prevent the formation of ice on the mirrors. So I just spray it on the windshields. As you can see, my car was totally covered with snow. Now it is a snow time in our city also, and live in Aachen, as you know, West Germany. So it is snowing a lot, and there is snow all over the places, all over the roads. On the main roads they spread salt, so there is no snow you can see on the main roads, but in the inner city roads where there is no winter days, as they call it, winter service, snow service, they come late, so there is still snow on the roads, and it is really difficult to drive on such roads. That is why I thought that I will share a vlog with you, that how can it be difficult to drive on the German roads. You need special tires in the car. Some cars already have, like mine car already have all season tires, and heavy snow tires are they also. They are perfect for driving in heavy snow. But some cars, some models, they don't have special tires for the snow, and in every winter, in every snowy weather, they have to change the tires for that snowy weather. And this is an obligation here to do that, otherwise it is very difficult to drive. So I will show you in a snowy weather how to drive on the German roads. I will share it with you, my tips and tricks to make your driving easier. Come with me. So first put on the seat belt, that is the most important thing, as you know, and I will press the start button. And this is the heating. I have a Renault Talisman model, so if you want a review of this car, also share with me in the comment box. I will happily share the review of my car. And here there are different options available. So this is the button for making the warm front side of the mirror warm, so that if there is any frost and if there is anything, it will go away. I have switched it off because so that my voice is audible. And this is for the back of the mirror, to make the back side of the mirror, car frost free, and it will be clear. And this one is for the making the seat warm. Where you are sitting, it will make very comfortable, like you can change the temperature according to your comfortness. And here it is the heating temperature of your like co-passenger, partner or friend, whoever is sitting, that should be also comfortable. You can see here it is showing 1 degree temperature is outside and 22 degrees inside, and that is the ideal temperature. Normal temperature of the car should be 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. So now I will switch on the front of the car so that it really gets very warm and very clean, so that it is easier for me to drive. So I will switch it on. You should also turn the wipers on auto, so that whenever snow comes, it goes away. Wiper can make it away, because snow can fall from any side, from other cars also. It can fall on you from other vehicles or from the trees. So if these wipers will be on auto, that they will remove the snow immediately. As you can see here, there is no snow on the main roads. People are even jogging in this snowy weather. People really love to exercise no matter what is the weather here. Some people, yeah, not all the people. And because they spread salt on these main roads where there is a heavy traffic, so it is easier for us to drive here. There is absolutely no problem. All the snow is they push on the side. You can see this yellow truck on the side of the left side of the road. They are the Winterdienst people, and they really help in clearing our roads for us, and we should be very thankful for them, because in all types of extreme conditions these people work for us. We cannot drive on high speed in such type of weather. We have to drive very carefully, because cars can really slip if the tires are not of good quality, and if the speed is too high. And then it is also obligation, there are signs that in case of snow you have to drive a little bit below the according to the limit, but then the speed limit is written on the shield that if you'd have to drive at the speed of 80 if it is snowing. You will get the that direction over that shield, instructions on the road. There is also a formation of black ice on the roads, and it is very very dangerous. It is very it causes so many accidents here. The formation of black ice, cars just slip because of that. That is why we have to be very careful when you do that. As you can see on the right hand side, that Winterdienst person, it is again cleaning up the snow from the main road, and all the snow is pushed to the curb. If it is a foggy weather, then we have to turn on the lights also so that we can see. And yes, now you can see one side of the highway is closed, one lane is totally closed because of the snow. They cleared the snow only from the one lane, and another lane is covered with snow, so it is totally out of drive. We cannot drive there on this. You can see it's so beautiful. Right now in Germany, like on these roads, there is no speed limit, but as we will reach Netherlands, that is where we are heading to, and then there will be limit of 120, 100 like that. So we have to then according to that drive. So proper speed and proper tires, especially in hilly areas, they are must for driving in a snowy weather. In Germany or in any country wherever you are living, you have to drive very safely for your safety and for the safety of others, and for a pleasant time. And I hope you liked this vlog, and if you did, please hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. I will see you in my next vlog. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.